Hi, for those of you who do not speak English as your first language, I want to show you how to change videos so that they offer closed captions in Spanish. So what you're going to do is open your video like you see on my screen, and then you are going to choose closed captions. You can see I've already converted this. I got to move my picture over. And then open your settings, choose subtitles, auto translate, and then find the language that you want it to translate to. So I've already selected Spanish. You can see it there. And then when you play your video, you will see what I say in Spanish. So I hope that helps.